Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Hope everybody's doing well out there. Today I'm making up some mushroom Swiss burgers. Now I'm only going to be making up one for now because the rest of the clan is not here right now. So I'm going to fry just one and I'll fry the rest later and they can rewarm their mushrooms and onions, or I can rewarm them. But my skillet here, I have a couple tablespoons of butter, and you want to add a little bit of oil of your choice to that because butter burns. And we're going to go ahead and get these mushrooms and onions seared up. Okay, we got that hot there. Now I got me some white mushrooms. You can use whatever mushrooms you like. And I have a little bit of chopped onion there. Now you can chop your onions big or small as you want them. Just make sure they're clean. Clean your mushrooms and pat them dry because, as we know, these are like little sponges. They soak up that water, so clean them or wipe them. But just make sure you clean them. We're going to cook these. Let them get nice and brown and the onions become a little bit soft. And we'll be back. Okay. These are getting about where I want them. These been going maybe 7 to 8 minutes. And I'll go ahead and put a little bit of salt on these. Boy, these smell good cooking. Boy, I love the smell of onions and mushrooms like that. It smells delicious, but I'm going to get those off there. Okay, now my grill's still being hot. I'm going to go ahead and throw my hamburger patty on there. Now make sure your hamburger is room temperature or not so cold because you want it to cook evenly. I just pat mine out between two pieces of parchment paper and slap it right on that grill. Now you make your hamburger patty thick or thin as you want. I don't like mine real thick. And always pat it bigger than the bun because we know hamburger patties, they'll shrink. So always pat it bigger than the bun. Now I'm going to let this cook because mine's not real thick, so I'll probably cook mine a few minutes on each side. If you go with a thicker one, 4 to 5 minutes on each side. But I'm not going to touch it because I want that to sear. Now I'm going to put a little bit of salt on my burger. And I'm going to put a little bit of steak seasoning. Use your favorite steak seasoning. Much as you want on it. But remember, this has salt too. And I'll let that cook and won't disturb it. This is on like a medium high, I guess, or more of a medium. But I'll let that sear for a few minutes. Okay. That's been going maybe 2.5 minutes. See how that's shriveling up? And it's becoming thicker. That's why I like to go pretty thin on it, because it's going to get thicker. So we'll give that a flip. Got that nice sear on it. And I'll let that go maybe 2 minutes, and then I'll get that Swiss cheese on there. Okay. I got my slice of Swiss cheese. I'm going to put that right on there. That's probably got about maybe 30 seconds or so to cook. Now you can definitely put a lid right over that to help it melt if you'd like. Alright. Now you don't want to put that right on your bun because you don't want all those juices all over your bun, getting your bun all soggy. So just put that right on a plate. This is going to be good, and I'm telling you, I am hungry. That's why I said a while ago, I ain't waiting. I'm hungry, and I'm just going to toast my buns. I have some brioche buns here. I got those buns all buttered up. Wipe this off. And I'm going to get these buttered buns right on there. And we'll get those toasted up. It's going to be good. Okay. Those are nice and toasty. I turn that grill off because it is hot. And I'm going to build this burger. Alrighty, there is the mushroom Swiss burger. Can y'all see that there? That is going to be good. That is going to be delicious. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Just an idea. Yeah, everybody knows just about, well, a lot don't know how to make a hamburger. Not even a hamburger. But an idea, something different, a mushroom Swiss. If you like Swiss, you like mushrooms. Hamburger, there you have it. But and make sure your Swiss cheese is taken out like when your ground beef is taken out, because it'll just melt better for you, your Swiss cheese. But that's gonna be delicious. But I'm filming, so I'm not gonna pick this up and take a bite. Then I'll have to get my hands all dirty, clean the camera to turn it off. So if you're new to the channel, I welcome you. Please like and subscribe and share. But until next time, oh, and everything you need for this, I'll put it in the description, okay? These mushrooms here will make about maybe 4 good-sized burgers. Probably a good pound of meat if you're feeding 4 to 5 people. But until next time, you guys stay blessed, love one another, eat well, and you guys take care. We'll see y'all later. Bye-bye. Enjoy the burger. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm not done yet, y'all. I was fixing to pick that burger up and scarf it down. I forgot to tell you. I also, on the top bun, I put me some garlic aioli. Or you can use regular mayonnaise. Can y'all see that? I probably put a good half teaspoon, 3/4 of a teaspoon on my bun. You use what you want. But I forgot to mention that to you there. It's right on the top of that bun there. But I'm going to eat. Love y'all. See you later. Bye-bye.